Hi friends, Jackie Suarez here. Today we're at 431 East Sunnyside Road, and there's a lot to love about this place. Hardwood floors, big open kitchen, dining area, and a living room with a cozy wood stove. Brand new timber frame covered deck, and you're gonna love the views over the Selle Valley. And we have a total of 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. That includes a private suite that you might claim as your own or use for guests. Come on in, let me show you around. Now you're about 10 minutes drive to downtown Sandpoint from here, about 15 minutes to the base of Schweitzer, and you're just a few miles to the boat launch at Hawkins Point, where you can enjoy Lake Pend Oreille. You're gonna feel like you're on vacation every day of the year here. Thanks for touring. For more information, please contact me or your agent or see us online.